You know, when it comes to a natural bowel detox or cleanse, I'm all about keeping things gentle, effective, and safe for long-term gut health. So, here's my complete step-by-step guide to a natural bowel release that'll leave you feeling lighter and refreshed. First, start your morning with warm lemon water. Just squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. It's a simple ritual that stimulates bile flow, flushes out toxins, and gets your digestion moving. Next up, try a flaxseed and chia mix before bed. I use a tablespoon each of ground flaxseed and chia seeds in warm water, or unsweetened almond milk. Let it sit for 10 minutes to thicken, then drink. These seeds are high in fiber, they bulk up your stool and work overnight to improve bowel movements. During the day, I love a green smoothie detox. Do this daily for 3 days. Blend spinach, green apple, cucumber, a banana, juice of half a lemon, a splash of aloe vera juice if you want, and water or coconut water. This combo hydrates, supplies fiber, and brings gut-cleansing chlorophyll. If you need a stronger push, a castor oil cleanse can help. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons of food-grade castor oil on an empty stomach, followed by warm water and lemon. But only use this occasionally, never daily, and definitely avoid if you're pregnant. For daily support, sip herbal teas like ginger, peppermint, or dandelion. Senna is a stronger option, but keep it to just once or twice a week. Herbal teas help you relax and gently move things along. Hydration is key. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water a day. For an extra detox boost, add a pinch of sea salt and a splash of lemon to one bottle as a natural electrolyte flush. And for lunch or dinner, go for a detox soup. Cabbage, garlic, celery, carrots, turmeric, ginger, cayenne, and parsley. Simmer them together and sip throughout the day. It's soothing and healing for your gut. Optional extras: magnesium citrate for overnight release, aloe vera juice for inflammation, and probiotics to restore your gut flora after the cleanse. If you want a sample schedule, here's how I do a one-day bowel reset. 7 a.m., warm lemon water. 8 a.m., flaxseed and chia drink. Gentle movement at 9. 10 a.m., green smoothie. At noon, a bowl of detox soup and more water. Herbal tea at 3, plant-based dinner at 6, and maybe a probiotic or aloe vera at 8 p.m. If needed, a cup of gentle senna tea at 10 to wrap it all up. Remember, detoxes aren't about extremes. They're about gentle support and helping your body do what it does best. Listen to your gut, stay hydrated, and always check in with a professional if you're unsure. Here's to a happier, healthier gut. If you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more wellness routines. Take care of your gut and stay healthy.